This ingredient is used to make one of these two dishes.
This is green and this is green. And it's actually this.
The color is green, right? And this one is green, so I think it's gonna be B.
Is Katie correct?
No! Really? Oh my god!
Hi everyone, it's Jason, and I'm here at Jason's Table, shocked and surprised, where we're sampling some amazing and surprising and sometimes shocking Taiwanese food. The topic of our episode today is amazing food transformations, and I'm here with my guest, Katie. Katie and Jason, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Jason.
Thank you. Peter, Jason, nice to meet
nice
you.
to meet you.
Thank you for coming. Who has the best name ever? Jason.
Jay, hi. Oh my god, Mr. Wang.
So nice to, oh, you call me Jason.
It's really nice meeting you. I mean, like, it's an honor. I mean, like, we have the same name, right?
Yeah.
We are
So
team
Jason's Table, this is the perfect place to be.
Yeah, I feel like Jason's.
Today, we're going to be trying out some different foods, and then the
sure.
name of the game is I'm going to ask you 3 different questions.
Okay.
If you get all of them correct,
Okay.
then we can give you a prize. But if you don't get them correct, then we have to give you a punishment, because that's how they do things here in Taiwan.
True Taiwanese fashion. You must punish if you make a mistake. Okay, I'm ready, I'm ready.
Are you ready?
I'm ready, perfectly ready.
So bring on the food.
Let's go.
This ingredient is used to make one of these two dishes.
So I need to guess which one. No?
Yeah, so let's take a taste.
Okay. I like a chunky.
Sure, you can, however you want to, or use
Okay.
the spoon is probably easier to get the,
Yeah, I guess. Okay.
Okay.
Let's see. Let's see. Like a lemon
Yeah.
flavor.
I love that.
Yeah.
I really like lemon and lime flavors.
Me too.
So this is,
too. Okay, so let's have a taste.
Oh my god, it's delicious. I mean, like, the soup, it's not that sweet.
Yeah.
And it's like, because like, I really don't like sweet.
Oh,
so
okay.
sour
Yeah.
is my...
Yeah. I think
favorite.
anything with lemon or citrus is going to be really refreshing.
Yeah.
I love that it's a texture of Jell-O, but much more tender.
Yeah, it's much more
not like
tender.
tough, rubbery, just kind of slippery in your mouth, and that just refreshing kind of sweet taste.
It's really perfect for like summertime,
Summertime.
you know.
Perfect. Okay.
Really good.
All right, so that's that one. And then here is the next one.
They're chewy, but they're not like chewy to the point of like in Chinese we would say QQ.
QQ.
They're not QQ though, because they're a little bit easier to chew down
Yeah.
and break apart.
I like it.
Can you tell what it is?
But I have no idea what it is.
Okay. So it's a little bit chewy, kind of like a dumpling. It is sweet.
A little sweet, yeah.
It is
Not
sweet.
too much sweet.
Ooh. It's a little bit sticky, but I mean, like, it's great. Wow. Wow, the taro is really, it's really sweet, you know. Oh my
It's
god.
very sweet, yeah. So the texture of these is like what we describe as QQ, a little chewy.
Yeah, QQ, yeah. And it is, I mean, like, it's kind of sticky on my teeth sometimes, but I mean, like, I can handle it, yeah.
And this is perfect for summertime as well. You can have this hot,
Oh, yeah.
or you can have it,
on the cold one, right?
but there is in fact a secret ingredient in one of these. So if you had to guess between the two,
Oh my god,
this
wait.
undergoes an amazing transformation and is used in which of these two dishes? A or B?
I think it's going to be A. My first guess is A.
This.
B. Yeah.
Does this interesting seed turn into this Jell-O item? Is Katie correct?
Yes!
Yes.
Yes, baby, I am the champion,
Okay.
thank you.
So now that we know that ayu seeds make this beautiful ayu jelly,
Yeah.
let's actually take a look and see the process happen before our eyes.
Cool.
All right, so what are we doing with this big bowl of water? And then what is this?
Is this
It's a
It's a
lady.
towel? No.
It's a lady's
stocking?
stocking.
Oh
Yes,
my God, okay.
No, we're not robbing a bank. We are actually, if you wouldn't mind holding this for me,
Okay, okay.
and we are going to pour the seeds in,
Okay.
tie it in a knot, and this is what's called 洗爱玉 or washing 爱玉.
Yeah.
The seeds, as you immerse it in water, there's a really interesting chemical property that happens. The seeds themselves start to release a mucousy coating, and then you can wash it kind of like you're scrubbing clothes and things like that. And the interesting thing about ayu is that it sets at room temperature. So it's not like
Okay.
gelatin, which you need to put in the refrigerator.
Okay.
But it sets at room temperature, and it will only last for about 24 hours
For one day.
before it starts to turn to liquid again. Do you want to try?
Can I?
Yes. So
Thank you.
you just kind of like you're washing clothes in there.
This is interesting, you know. I mean,
Yeah.
like, it's really sticky, but you know, you can have fun with it.
And you just put it in the water, and then you can see
Okay.
the water's already changing color.
Yeah, I know. It's,
If you are
really-
making ayu at home, the important thing is make sure that you don't have any oil in the
Okay.
bowl or on your hands, because if there's oil, then that inhibits the jelly from setting up.
It smells
Yeah.
really like a tea bag, but it's
Yeah.
really refreshing.
So you can see the color has already kind of changed.
Nice.
But if you let that set, it will turn into our beautiful ayu jelly. So
Wow.
an amazing transformation from this
Yes, to
something-
this.
Yes. So an amazing food transformation. Are you ready for our next set of dishes?
Yes, this is super fun.
We're gonna go wash our hands. We'll be right back.
Yeah.
So now we have our second amazing transformation item, and we have this plant here,
Yeah, like a mint or
like a
something,
mint. Okay.
It smells
What's
like
it
a
smell?
plant.
Smells like a plant.
Like a plant.
Can I eat this? Can I try it?
I don't know if you can eat this. Let's not eat this for now. Let's get to the question first. So there are two different dishes. The first one we have, this is called xiancao. This one is also served in like a syrupy kind of situation. It's like a blackish jello. And this one is a little bit unusual. It's a traditional Taiwanese dish. You know the name for this one. This is called
草蛙粿.
Cao Gui. It uses a special herb in its creation. That's how you get the green color on the outside,
Yeah.
right? So let's try this one first.
Okay.
Delicious or weird or shocking or
Not sweet, not salty. Really,
Okay.
it's like a, not really strong flavor, but
I don't know why I've always loved that texture, but I don't know. Jello's very comfort. No.
This tastes like old coffee to me.
Oh, this is the grass jelly.
Oh, refreshing, as
Refreshing,
always,
yeah.
you know. I really like your jelly.
So for me, it has a really nice herbal aroma.
Yeah, oh yeah.
It has a little bitterness on the end and a little bit of tannin. Like if you're having a red wine, it kind of has that texture on the tongue.
aftertaste, right.
But it is mildly sweet, and I think it's definitely very, very refreshing.
Wow,
I love this.
I really
love
like
this.
it.
Okay, so this is item number one.
Item number one.
Item number two. Take a bite.
Okay. Wow.
It's good.
It's sticky, but it's really sweet and a little bit salty.
This is good.
This is super tasty.
And this is really yummy.
This is super
I
tasty.
could have this for a dinner. Dinner item, yeah.
very dry. The flavor is not bad.
Flavor's not bad. I like it. I think it has a lot of different textures in there. There's a little bit of crunchy in the middle, and there's a little
Yeah,
bit of
right.
chewy on the outside. Very interesting flavor. If you had to guess, this ingredient undergoes an amazing transformation and makes either grass jelly or Cao Gui.
I mean, it looks green like that one, but probably, hey,
The show wants me to wants to trick me into thinking it's this, because this is green and this is green, and it's actually this. But this tastes to me more like the flavor of this green.
The color is green, right? And this one is green, so I think it's gonna be B.
Is this particular herb used to make the jelly or the cao gui? It is in fact the jelly.
I knew it, but I had to go with my gut. I had to go with my gut. It's okay? It's okay.
Really? Oh my God.
No.
Why? I mean, like, wow. So this.
So let me talk about this one first. So this cao gui is a traditional Hakka food. It is glutinous rice on the outside, but in fact the herb that is used to make it green
Okay.
is in the galangal ginger family.
Oh, the ginger family.
It's the leaf that's used to make this. Or sometimes you can use mugwort.
Okay.
But it's not this herb. What is this herb? This is in fact xiancao. So this is actually the grass for the fairy grass jelly. This is also known as Mizona plant, but it's in the mint family.
Wow.
You can either cook it dried or you can cook it fresh, but you need to cook this with water for about 3 hours. And
Okay.
then it will turn into the jelly that you see here. Your score right now, Jason, is 1 for 1.
Okay, 1 for 1.
You're doing okay. You have one more. Are you ready for the last
I'm
food?
ready. Let's go, guys.
Our third amazing food transformation. Ta-da!
Oh my God.
This is called Beiteng Gui.
Good. Okay.
Beiteng Gui, which is a traditional Taiwanese specialty.
Okay.
But the ingredient that makes this so special, is it A, daikon radish, or is it B, this is glutinous rice?
Glutinous rice.
I think we should taste test it first. Otherwise, how would you know, right?
Oh, yeah. Please.
Yes,
give me
please.
a-
So help yourself. Fried foods, the texture. I just love the texture of something fried you cannot replicate. So.
This is this is state fair food. This is 100. You could take this to any state fair in the U.S. and people would pay good money for this. This is so good.
The flavor is similar like Spanish, you call like churros.
Churros, exactly.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Double Jason. Okay.
Ooh, wow. Wow. It's really sweet. Like the outside is really sweet, but when you eat, the inside is getting tasteless.
Yeah. So you need that little sweet coating on the outside to balance the
Yeah.
inside. Yeah.
Can I grab this? Because
Oh, yeah,
I like
yeah.
this white little
Yeah,
things
yeah. The
in
powder.
there.
It's powdered sugar. Yeah.
Crazy.
I think it's nice. Anything like a fried dessert.
Yeah.
It's really rich and decadent, but it's a nice treat.
Yeah.
Especially the texture. It's crunchy on the outside, and then you
Yep.
have the inside is a little bit more chewy.
It's interesting because like I haven't eaten this before.
Oh.
Like yeah, this is my first time, so oh my God, it's really good.
Which of these two ingredients undergoes the amazing transformation and turns into this Beiteng Gui?
I think the more amazing transformation would be from the radish.
Right.
I will stick with my rice.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Jason thinks that the ingredient that undergoes an amazing transformation into Beiteng Gui is glutinous rice. Is he perhaps correct?
Yes. Yeah. Okay. Thank God. Oh my God, I knew it because like I can smell the rice.
Yes. Congratulations. Good. So you are in fact correct. The glutinous rice is milled into a flour, and then it
Okay.
is added into a batter, and they fry it, and that's how you get that chewy glutinous
The
rice
chewy
texture.
thing. Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's time for your prize, and you get a reward. It's heavy,
Wow,
delicious
amazing. Yeah, delicious.
reward.
Are you serious? Like the whole bucket?
I'm glad that there are a couple pieces left because it's time for your punishment. You can't eat all these things without having a delicious beverage to go with that, right? So something for you.
This Chinese medicine.
Chinese medicine. Wow, she is just pounding that down. There is a very strong, bitter.
I think I need to have some more of the beef to kind of cleanse
Yeah.
the palate a little bit.
Well, I have to say, it's been a pleasure having you here.
Thank you, Jason.
When we're exploring some amazing food transformations in Taiwanese cuisine. This is Jason, and this is Jason's Table, Shocked and Surprised. We will see you next time. Thanks, Katie.
Thank
Bye-bye. For more information, check out the website, and don't forget to download the Taiwan Plus app and like and subscribe our YouTube channel so you can stay updated on the latest news and developments.